Welcome back to my video quizzers. Today's quiz are all about would you rather questions. You've got 50 of them. Make sure you subscribe for more quizzes. Let's go. Would you rather live here or live there? Would you rather have a Lamborghini or have a yacht? Would you rather have a buffet with food or a buffet with candies? Would you rather go on vacation alone or go on vacation with friends? Would you rather go to an amusement park or a water park? Would you rather be rich or be famous? Would you rather only use Instagram or only use TikTok? Would you rather watch a series on Netflix or go to the theater? Would you rather have a villa by the sea or a cabin in the mountains? Would you rather stay in a campground or stay in a hotel? Would you rather use cash or a credit card? Would you rather have unlimited ice cream or unlimited cakes? Would you rather live in Dubai or live in New York? Would you rather drive a sports car or drive an SUV? Would you rather get food to go or take away? Would you rather listen to rap or K-pop? Would you rather watch a horror movie or a love movie? Would you rather have a Kit Kat or a Twix? Would you rather see a play or attend a sporting event? Would you rather eat fries or potatoes? Would you rather eat this burger or give it to him? Would you rather live in a big city or live in the countryside? Would you rather go shopping or go shopping online? Would you rather face a zombie invasion or an asteroid hitting the Earth? Would you rather be Batman or Superman? Would you rather have a water fight or have a snowball fight? Would you rather have a dog or have a cat? Would you rather never watch your favorite movie again or never eat your favorite food again? Would you rather have a funny partner or have an intelligent partner? Would you rather eat dark chocolate or white chocolate? Would you rather use Netflix or Disney Plus? Would you rather play a board game or play a video game? Would you rather find love or find $1,000? Would you rather work in the heat or work in extreme cold? Would you rather wear the same socks for a month or wear the same clothes for a week? Would you rather spend the night in a haunted house or spend the night in a cemetery? Would you rather feel sweat or have bad breath? Would you rather eat only pizza or never eat pizza again? Would you rather be super strong or be super fast? Would you rather be rich and ugly or be poor and beautiful? Would you rather find your soulmate or find your dream job? Would you rather buy a new smartphone or buy a new computer? Would you rather live on a deserted island or live with your friends in Antarctica? Would you rather be immortal or have 9 lives? Would you rather go to school in your pajamas or go to school dressed up as a clown? Leave your answer in the comments section to let us know. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Quizzers for more fun quizzes like this, and see you in the next video.